Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page. So for you to be able to create a Facebook business page, here is how you can get it done. Log on to your Facebook account on your PC. You can simply also use the app version of it on your PC, but right now I'm currently on the web browser version. So once you have it logged on to your PC, then just click on this option which is the see more button. You're gonna scroll down a little bit here, okay? Scroll down a little bit, then you're gonna come here and click on page, which is pages, right? So from here you can see these are the numbers of pages I have. Pages you manage. Actually I created one with Jennifer, so I'm gonna create a new one, which is create a new profile or page. So I'm just gonna create a new one. So right here you have an option, two options, which is to create for personal use and for the public use. So I'm just gonna click for the public, which is very usual one. So I'm just gonna click on next. And right here, create a page to engage new customers and fans, which is pretty cool. Also to sign access to others, get actionable insight to reach more people. So just gonna get started. So right here, which is the profile part of it. So right here, you're just gonna input your page name, which is create a page. Then your page name, let's I'm just gonna make it more random, which is Nema Media. Good. So right here, the category, see the name is my file, which is name is pretty cool for my page. So the category, let's say something spot. Now, okay, fine. I don't want to do something like that. Let's say video editing. Okay, good. Let's see if it can work. Okay, there's no category for that, so let's just pick the most random, which is the spot part. Let's see if there's a category. Okay, good. Let's try it again. Yeah, good. There's a spot. Okay, spot and fitness instruction, which is good. Then the biography, you can simply go for anything. Biography, so I'm just gonna copy some stuff and paste it in. Good. I'm just gonna paste in some stuff. And after that, I'm just gonna create the page. Okay, before you also create, you can come down here, you can upload your profile one, but I don't think there's an option for that. Our page to be here, not pretty sure, so just click on create page. Okay, something needs to be done. Alright, good. Wow, that's great, that's nice. So right here, about to finish the page, so I'm just going to input my contacts, could be my website, then right here your phone number, your mails, your location, the city, postcode, and how are you be available for the page and for stuffs on your page. And once you're done, you can just click on next, and after that then you're good to go. And that's it, how to create a business page on Facebook. Find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.